All right, all right, all right, all right. We are live. Um, well, this is me, Swap Up Gaming, in Unreal Engine, and just continue on working. Um, Things that I started today with streaming on YouTube as well. What I'm doing here, if you come by this and go like, what the hell is this? It's just me trying to work my through a a project that I have. I barely know how to set a big project up like this, so I'm going through it step by step and trying to learn how to put it together, how all the pieces interact with each other, and you'll see where we end up in the end. This is not a tutorial. This is not nothing like that. This is me really struggling. Sometimes I'm struggling for hours for trying to bug fix something. Um, so it's nothing. If you stop by when I'm alive, if I'm live, just through my word and say, hey, how you doing, man? Um, that is basically it. So we're gonna go through this and see where we end up. Now I'm going to check a couple of things here. Let's see, I need to go to YouTube because I want to have the chat in my window just in case if somebody stops by. Jesus, how the heck can Dagan halt all to 127,000 views? That's just crazy. YouTube Studios, I guess. Let's see. How do I get to my live? YouTube. Your channel. There we go. Let's see. I get to my live. There we go. Pop out chat. There we go. Okay, that address. Layout editor. Let's see. Pop in the website address there. Save changes. All right, I get the chat there. Cool. There we go. There we go. There we go. Close down that one, I think. All right. Like I said, this is nothing more than just me working my way through this whole thing, and yeah, that's it. Cool. Oh, okay. Coltrane always want to be part of everything when I speak. So, and here comes Good Easy Girl. Yeah. All right. Can we? Are we done? What? What do you want? All right. Screw it. Let's see. So I got some hard components I need to add to my vehicles here. My base classes. Just gonna close this. I'm just setting things up right now to move on later on. So we're gonna take one of these. gonna go into my my vehicle. There is my mech base class. Public. Paste that in. Let's see, it's a U. So let's see, this will be the U mix HUD class, mix HUD component. That's one for declare. HUD. Cool class. Let's see. We need a constructor for that. All right. Take this guy as well. Just grab that there and do grab a mech component. Feeling like I'm losing my voice today. I don't know why. Didn't have that problem. Did I remember? Just when I woke up this morning, all of a sudden I start streaming. I'm like, I'm losing my voice. Components. There we go. And we're gonna do the mech component. And oh shit. Yeah, of course. HUD. Maybe I should call it mech HUD component, by the way. Boom, boom, boom. All right, that is set up there. Copy this now. Let's see, save. I don't know if I need to do that, but boom. Gonna be tracked vehicle. So just do this. Yeah, this project will probably take about 10 years to finish up, so but I thought, you know, why not do it and stream it, and if somebody wanted to come by and say hello, it's fun. Fine. Freaking shit. I need to. Okay. Public. And constructor. There we go. Take that one. A lot of copy pasting, but and this is gonna be you. This track, not tracked vehicle. Over declare. Boom. Okay, let's take this one. Right, vehicle component. There we go. That. This is just, I'm just setting shit up right now. I'm not gonna fill this out. Probably not for a long time, but you know, just want to have everything in order. Wheeled. Should track wheeled. Oh, yeah. There we go. Let's see. Copy that. Cool. And this is gonna be wheeled vehicle component. That guy there. Yep. God, Jesus freaking Christ. There we go. Let's see here. So, no wheeled. Yeah, it is that one. Oh, all right. You wheeled. Or declared that one. And there we go. Perfect. Awesome, awesome, awesome. All right, so this will be the HUD component for the different types of vehicles that we have. For now, setting everything up. There we go. All right. So now we got the vehicle base with the component for targeting slot managers, vehicle inventory, vehicle manager component, vehicle state component. And then we have the HUD component on the subclass for this one. And I'm going to do a class as well for the movement component, but I'm not 100% sure if we're going to do that now. I don't think so. I'll wait with that. Anyways, that is that. So let's start working on, it's a slot manager component. I think I'm most interested in developing first. The targeting component is basically, well, it's already filled out quite a lot. Let's see. Why don't I get that option? I need to make this huge. Which, let's see if I can get one. There we go. Band. Thank you. Bots. So much bots everywhere. It's just insane. All right, coffee. Right. What? What? Oh my god. What's the matter with your cold chain? Yeah, I don't have time for this. Yeah, I know. Oh, come on. Do you have to, come on. Do you have to climb up here? Shut up. Get out. No. We don't bark in here. You know this. Yeah. No barking. There you go. Alright, what the hell? Components. There we are. And I want to take a look at not those. Slot manager. So this component is going to manage the vehicle slots. Slots each type. See, we need some kind of variable for the amount of slots. It's probably going to be on the last level of each vehicle. We need to know how many slots each vehicle. Can you stop, Coltrane? Knock it off. Knock it off. Just knock it off. This is when I go and start having conversation with ChatGPT to figure out exactly how to stop. So let's see. Let's take a look at my code here. The next slot, add slot, quit item in slot. Let's just create a before I do anything, because I rather have all the levels on these. Let's go to public. That's the input component. Character, here we go. Vehicles. Let's take a, I don't know, wheel vehicle here, and we're gonna create a class on that. And this will be, let's call it testing. Let's see. I can rename it if we, but this is going to be a test wheeled vehicle. So this is the class we're going to use to create blueprints from. The absolute lowest class or lowest level. So need to have two to do all the testing as we work through this. We're going to have one wheeled and one tracked. Just so we can do all the testing from, switching out the vehicles to each other, save everything between, when we're switching, etc., etc. So we're going to take the tracked. I'm going to do a test track. Cool. So that's the tracked vehicle. So let's see. In 32, let's see. Public. Two. I just want to, put in a variable for how many slots this particular class has. High slot. Out. I'm going to a new property. Edit anywhere. Category. Base. Slots. Could probably put this in a higher level though. But all of them. To be honest, I don't know. This could be a variable on the component though, rather than here. Because all my components have that access anyway. These are the actual slots. But we can also say that, how many are we allowed to have on this particular vehicle. All right. I was so self-assured to know exactly what I was going to do today. But then again, now I'm sitting here like, what the hell am I supposed to do today? I have no fucking idea. Let's see, let's do a new. Okay, let's do that. Let's pop off this and have it on the screen. So what I usually do is I'm sitting here like, okay, how the hell do we do this? How do we move forward? And oh, hey, I'm sorry. It didn't. Damn. Didn't get. Sorry, man. I didn't see you chat. Oh my god. So I put it in my streamer here, YouTube chat, and damn, I didn't see it because it comes from the bottom and not the top. That is so insane. That is so insane. Sorry for that. If you are still here, I'm not doing, tutorial stuff, but how to control character movement using buttons on local host. I could probably figure it out, but yeah, I mean, I'm not an expert at it, especially not character movement, because I've usually been working a lot with UI. That's always been my thing, and right now this is, I'm trying to put all the pieces together, so I'm not an expert at character control movements. That is what I'm doing here. I'm trying to learn to put everything together, and in the end, see, Jesus, I should move my camera though. I saw that on YouTube. My camera is right in the middle of the push this for subscribing. Let's see if we can go to move my ugly face. I don't know where to put it. There we go. We're like using, I have WASD buttons on local host using top TCP or something like that to control character mode. Well, you need the player controller, right? And then bind it. So you need to bind. So I mean, local host. I don't think it really matters if you use local host or. Can you stop? It doesn't really matter if you use it. You're controlling it the same way. So it's the player controller, and then you create actions, and you bind those actions in the player controller. I think my player controller actually has that in this system. Let's see, Galaxy. Go to player controller. I go to. Let's see. Camera transition. So here's the actions, right? So you bind the action to whatever you do. You trigger it with the move control here. Mailman. You bind the actions with the move action, and then you have the move action as a, let's see, there we go, move, control F, move. Then you have the, come on, there's the move. This is the move function, right? So you have the input action, the input axis vector. So you get the axis value, and you basically add it to the control palm. That's basically IP addresses and stuff like that. I don't know, to be honest. That is way. I've never done that. So no, I don't know, but IP addresses and stuff like that, that is not something I've ever been working with. So sorry about that. Fucking bots, can they go away? I don't care about viewers, honestly. All right. I use blueprints. Oh yeah. No, I think blueprints is way too messy, to be honest. It's awesome to start out with and all that, but I'm using C++. It's not that I look down on blueprints. I think blueprints is awesome, but I'm trying to learn CPP, C++. I really trying to learn the coding behind it, and yeah. Let's see. All right, where the hell were we? Right. Slot categories, high, mid, low, different models, blah, blah, blah. Yeah, I know where it is. Model classes, got that part down. Slot manager component needs to interact with other systems in your game, such as inventory system, to allow players to equip unique. The slot manager component should have method that communicates with inventory systems, possible checking for module availability, and removing models from the inventory when equipped. Yeah, when models are equipped, the vehicle stats should be updated. The update vehicle stats method should call the appropriate method for the vehicle stats and abilities component. The question is, should we start with an inventory system rather than the slots? That's the question. Where the hell do you start? What's come first, the chicken or the egg? Probably need to sit down and go back to the drawing table and really check where to start and how to connect them. I only have a general idea how I want it to work. I need to work through and plan out exactly step by step before we start coding. So I feel like I'm where I'm at right now in a way. We have this, and I have basic movement. What the hell? I had click. I'll have to look at that. What the fuck? Yes, because it doesn't. It worked fine yesterday. I have no movement. I have nothing. No controls. Oh shit! What the fuck happened? I mean, I got movement control like this. This works. None of my fucking mouse input works. What the fuck is happening here? Okay, let's see. Grab my Galaxy Dawn. I didn't add a... No, everything should come from the player controller. Let's see. This works, right? There we go. All right. I have to sit down and really go through this. So basically what's supposed to happen, I should have like click to move. I should have right click to on these actors and should do things. I should be able to interact with them. Nothing is working right now. And it worked just fine a few hours ago. Okay, let's see what the hell happens here when we start up. Let's do this. No, all right. Not even connecting. So basically, get active. Let's see here. Character, camera transition. Let's see if this even works. Yes, I'll get the shift click. And come on. That's the target. I got nothing to do with this. Firewall. let's see. First of all, right mouse button action here. Not even reacting to that. What the fuck is going on? I think. This doesn't work. I have to shut down the stream and really take my time and go through it. I'd probably need to do that in a way because I don't really know where to go right now. Oh, now it works. What the fuck? That is so weird. Holy shit. Let's see. Yeah. So fucked up. This works fine now. All right. Okay. Anyway, I prematurely started this stream without really thinking about what the hell I'm gonna do. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna sit down and do a plan, and then I'll come back and do another stream. So we'll see. The streaming stuff for this stuff, not playing games. It's not so easy to just pull off, but yeah, I'll try it. We'll see. At some point, it's probably going to be more easy and just relaxed, and as long as I have a game plan for what I'm supposed to do. So until next time, on Swap Up Gaming, I'll